In today's video, I'm going to be doing the gaming review of the brand new Motorola Razr 2025 edition. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the brand new Motorola Razr 2025 edition right here. And in today's video, I wanted to see how gameable this device actually is. And of course, for the processor inside this phone, we have a Dimensity 7400X. We have 8 gigabytes of RAM inside of here, and of course 256 gigabytes of internal storage, and we cannot expand the storage on this device. That's one of the things I don't like. But we have a couple games right here. We have an FPS, and of course we have a racing game. But before we take a look at those, we do actually have some games on the outside of the display right here. Alright guys, so the first game on the outer display is something called Marble Mayhem right here. This is kind of like a built-in game. I guess some of you can call it bloatware, but it is just testing out that front display and kind of showing off the camera cutout in the back display right here, and of course testing out the gyro sensor on this. So it's a cool little game you guys can play right here. We also do have a few more games on here. We have 99 Balls, we have Perfect Piano, Scooter Extreme. These are kind of just some built-in games, and these are built in by Game Snacks. So this is one of those things that you can play essentially on a Tesla or a car screen. Some of you may even have it in your car right now. Yeah, just some little fun games inside there. I just thought I should show you that. It's definitely something that kind of shows off this cover display. And it's really cool if you're maybe hanging out with your friend, you're waiting for somebody, you know, they see your phone right there, and they're like, what is that? You can show them that little party trick, I guess. All right, let's stop playing around. The first game we're going to be testing out is Asphalt Legends. Let's go ahead and get into this. All right, everyone, so we've set all of the graphics on Asphalt Legends to high right now, and we're going to go ahead and see how this plays out. Let's go ahead and check it out, though. Oh no. All right, so super capable of playing this game on the highest graphics possible. It ran very, very well. It looked really good too. No issues with this game. We're next playing Call of Duty Mobile, and we have our graphics on very high, and of course we have our frame rate on high as well. But we're gonna go ahead and play some multiplayer and see how this works out. So shadowing and graphics look pretty solid so far. Also, for anybody out there wondering if this phone is gonna bend or not when you're playing this game, it is super solid. It has a super solid hinge on this device, so don't even worry about that. The stereo speakers on this are very loud as well and super bassy, so that's one of the other things that I really like about this. This definitely would have been a fail if there was only a mono speaker inside of here, but graphics look great, gameplay is looking great so far, and I'm excited to test out some more games. Let's go and test out this kill streak. Nice. Yeah, so this game worked out well. Motorola Razr is absolutely able to run this game competitively. So if you guys play this a lot, it's good news for you. So yeah guys, it looks like the 8 gigabytes of RAM inside this device and the Dimensity 7400X has done a good job. So for the majority of people out there, if you guys are looking to play games like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty Mobile, Asphalt Legends, and some basic stuff, you should be good. I haven't had any heating issues or glitches on this device, so it definitely did a good job. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.